In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Monday.com and Microsoft Project. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in by exploring the first aspect, usability. Monday.com is designed with ease of use in mind. It features a colorful, visual interface that is highly intuitive, making it easy for anyone to jump right in. You can drag and drop tasks without any hassle, and you won't need extensive training to get started. On the other hand, Microsoft Project provides a powerful toolkit built for serious project planning, but it does come with a steeper learning curve. While it can be overwhelming for newcomers, it's equipped with extensive training resources for those who are willing to invest the time. Next, let's look at key features. Monday.com excels in flexibility and collaboration, offering customizable boards and a variety of views such as Kanban, calendar, and workload. These features enhance team interaction and streamline workflows. Conversely, Microsoft Project is geared towards detailed project planning and offers advanced tools such as task dependencies and critical path analysis. If your projects require carefully coordinated timelines and resource management, Microsoft Project's detailed Gantt charts can be extremely helpful. Now, turning our attention to templates, Monday.com comes with a vast library of ready-made templates that cater to various industries, including marketing, human resources, and IT. This makes the setup process incredibly quick and efficient. Microsoft Project does offer some templates, but they tend to be more limited and mainly focus on traditional project management formats, which might not be as versatile for modern uses. Integrations are another important factor to consider. Monday.com shines in this area, offering a wide range of integrations with third-party tools, including popular platforms like Slack, Zoom, Google Drive, Shopify, and GitHub. This flexibility can be vital for teams using diverse tools. In contrast, Microsoft Project integrates deeply with the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, incorporating tools like Teams, Excel, and OneDrive. If your organization already leverages these tools, this integration can create a seamless workflow. When it comes to pricing, Monday.com has an attractive option for smaller teams, providing a free plan. Their paid plans usually range from $8 to $16 per user per month, making it accessible for startups and small businesses. Microsoft Project does not offer a free version, and their plans typically start around $10 per user per month, potentially going up to $55 for more comprehensive enterprise-level features. In conclusion, choose Monday.com if you are looking for a simple, modern, and highly customizable tool that promotes team collaboration and is budget-friendly for startups and smaller teams. It's excellent for those who prioritize ease of use and flexibility. On the other hand, if you are a professional project manager handling complex, enterprise-level projects that necessitate intricate scheduling and reporting mechanisms, Microsoft Project may be the better choice for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped